Oh my god. Ugh. Grumpy, hello. Oh my days. You weren't even here last stream, Grumpy. This is crazy. And you didn't even see the face cam stream like that. That's crazy. Anyway, hello. Where is it? Over there. Um, we're doing another. Wait, where's my other scissors gone? Oh no. Alright, scissors is not a good thing to lose. Nah, I'm sure they'll turn up. Anyway. Oh no, they're right here. No, they're not. I don't know. Finally a face cam. Yeah, I know. Straight off of Timu, which I think we have even more. We had more last stream. They just seem to like turning up on Fridays. I think this time it's car stuff that I ordered. 'Cause you know, I thought why not get some car stuff since I have a car. Open. Let's have a look. Okay, it looks like there's a bag inside of a bag, so that's a great start. Bro's not even in the stream VC. I don't go in the stream VC when I'm doing this. If I was playing a game, then I would. But no one needs to. Bro, what even is this? I don't know. Okay, I actually have no idea what this is. Oh, wait, what? Alright, so they all came inside of a bag. That's a good start. Okay, yeah, it is all my car stuff. So, to start off, we have these things. They're actually like foam. I don't really know. Basically, these go like in between the seats, so if you drop things down between the seats, they won't drop and just vanish into the void. Downpipe in tune for this, literally. Um, these they looked a lot better online. I'm not gonna lie, but then again, it is kind of from Temu. Uh, Pro's not even in the VC. I just said I don't go in VC if I'm not playing game. I will just sit on stream and talk, and you can chat to me by typing because yeah. These somehow sit on my wing mirrors. I don't know how. Oh, they're like, alright, they're sticky things. Whoa, that's ambitious. So these are somehow meant to sit, I'm assuming like that, over my wing mirror. You can bend them. I'm gonna have to look into that, but those basically just sit on top and they're meant to stop rain coming down. I doubt they'll actually work. Why'd you even have seats for all that? Yeah, yeah, I'll just stand up and drive, why don't I? Yeah. Oh, and then these are actually like really useful. My instructor had them when I was driving with him. These look terrible quality, um, but as long as they work in that manner. Basically, little 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 mirrors, and you go basically. I don't know how easily you can see, but you move them around and they go on your wing mirror. They just stick on your wing mirror, and you can like point it down, and it's like a cheat code for parking and stuff. So you can just see where like your rear wheels are. Really, really useful. So there you go. Brilliant. One seat, just not the rest. Yeah, exactly. Everyone else has to stand up or just like, you know, run. Have you never seen a basic project car? No. Well, probably. Anyway, that doesn't matter. We are doing this. So, game time. So in college, this is what I've been doing. So, uh, oh, oh no, that's not good. Okay, that's already something wrong I've done. So usually for the main UI, I did, I think it's this scale with screen size, which if I go down here, has this messed up as well? I don't think so. Hold on, let me play. It's compiling errors. I knew this was a thing anyway. But one seat standard and for one. Wait, that's actually crazy. Really? You have to pay for like the extra seats and like, do you not already just want them? Where was it? Where are my compiling errors? Computer? No. Shop. It is in here. Oh, there. Yeah, it's fine. I'll just do that. What kind of game is that? It's like a farming game, basically, Grumpy. I'll show you how it works now. Um, I think I've done quite a bit as well since last stream. So if Irons was in here, he wouldn't have even known what's going on right now. So I did not get all of this done. So, saves a lot of people time. Oh, really? Okay, fair enough then. Right, so I think this should all work. Alright, so basically, this is Farmer Guy. I think he's called Bob in the game. Um, so you get a patch. At the moment, I haven't got it yet, but you'll be able to get seeds. And then you'd select the seed you want to plant. So, on a vine. So this is called Seeds of Time because our prompt was Garden of Time, and then basically each seed is like from different time periods. So anyway, this is Greek. So it's a Greek pillar and stuff like that. So you can water it. It's gonna be very loud. Yeah, I didn't realize quite how loud it was. But yeah, you water it, and then it will start to grow. Can I just? Why does it keep playing? Okay. If I know where the inventory is, I might just do that because I don't really want to sit and wait. King Bob, it literally. Right here. Uh, what? I'm sure that'll be fine. Okay, there we go. I just wanted to test the text actually. Yeah, so that still works. So basically, you plant the plant, you water it, and yeah, over time it will then start to grow, and then you can harvest it. And then once you've got it in your inventory, of course, it would have said I just put one in my inventory manually. Um, yeah, you can then come over here, you can press one of these buttons, choose the plant you want to plant, and then it will put it in there. So like this one is $10, we've called it basically. And then basically you'll then sell it. I don't know, I know originally I wanted to have NPCs, but the person I'm working with, I don't think he's going to make them. So what I might have to do, I might just have to do like an automatic system that over time, like after a certain amount of time, the plant will just sell. Um, I don't really know how I'm going to do that, but how's get, bro? Trust me, it'll be fine. No, it won't. I don't know. See, I'm also going to need to do level design, or not really level design, but I'm going to need to design the map after this. Um, I might have to have like a bit of a cutscene because we have like a guy that comes around and gives you the computer. I'm saying that 'cause he's basically this other guy is going to give you this computer, which you're then going to be able to access. So I modeled this by the way. I think it looks kind of cool. Not gonna lie. Computer. See, I really like that. If I had more time, I would make animations like this and everything for everything, so it looks cool. But it's like Windows, because you have the Windows icon, you can click it, and then all of that. So basically, it does that, and you have like the power button. That's how you close it. I think that's super cool. It's inspired by, it's kind of, yeah, I'm kind of inspiring it like Schedule 1. Postcode. It's not even my fault, bro. Yeah, then you can open the shop. So usually when you turn the computer on, it'll be like this. Press that, shop will show up, and then you have the different seeds that you can buy, and then you have the upgrades as well. And then it'll like put the picture there, the name, the price, and you can buy it. So at the moment, I know this looks very unfinished, but literally I should be able to get the shop done in this stream easily. Hopefully as well as why can I not think? Hopefully as well as currency stuff. Like should be chill. It should be. But I mean, this literally took me so long. Like you could say like, oh yeah, there's hardly anything in this game, but literally all of this stuff took me so long to do because it's not just your regular FPS game where there's a bunch of scripts that you can easily make for it. I've had to go and do this individually, and You make it F126. Fair enough. Go away, Bitdefender. Um. So yeah, what am I doing now? I forgot. Oh yeah, that was it. So basically, go away. Uh, oh no, my stream is failing. Are we still here, or is the stream like gone down? Because on Meld Studio, the software, it's not having a good time. Why does honestly, my internet is so ass sometimes. This is crazy. Alright, well, I'm just gonna continue as if that's not even happening. What is this? Oh, right. Where did I get up to? I was asking ChatGPT about this because I have no idea what I need to do to put it in. Alright, let's put some music on now. Uh-huh. Oh, I think we're back. Oh my days. As I put the music on it, its string comes back. Yeah, I don't really know what happened there. Anyway, yeah, looking at ChatGPT now. Wait. Pink cord, you're not meant to do that. Nah, it's fine. Then we'll just got pinged again to make sure they come. I don't really know why string keeps doing that. It's really annoying. Because it did it like last time as well or something. What was I doing? Oh yeah. So I did the sprite one. Dot text. Does that work? Maybe. Item. Oh, that was set up. Item price. There's component in children. What? Component. Yeah. Alright, hold on. Why is that not working? Oh, right, yeah. Dot two. This is goofy ass music. I'll skip it then. Bro, like, I gotta get the copyright free stuff. I can't just use any. Well, probably not. I don't know. Convert to. But I don't even know. Alright, so that is fine. What did I do for pot selection? No, pot. Transform.getChild.GameObject. So for this, do I need to do 0? No. God damn it. I don't know, man. Bring me to use a basis here. What? How do you even know I'm using Brainmater? You can't even see anything. Alright, screw this. How do I do this so it sets the name to the first child and the price to the second? and convert the price to a float because we need a float. Oh, you stop. I just know everything to like literally. Well, that is kind of crazy that you just know I'm using a rate meter. Wait, actually, am I? No, I think I am. Yeah. Man. Text. Wait. Do 0.text equal to item name 0.text. Shoot, that won't work. Why? I don't understand. Uh, um, right, this. Transform get child dot game object. Maybe I just do that. So transform dot get child 0. No. Dot game object dot text. Why? Keep going to the wrong script. So that is just for set and active. Oh my god, dude. Can't really shit with your face cam on the left. Yeah, I didn't even think about that. There you go. uh, Hold on, let me move it. Let me duplicate that. Wait, actually. Boom. What? There we go. I'll go over here for this stream. Surely that's better. Come on, ChatGPT. Give me something good. Oh, that's so good. Thank you very much. There we go. See, I knew it. First row holds the name, the second holds the price. it's fine. It should only ever be a float. Float.parse. Transform.get child component. TMP text. Brilliant. So that should work, theoretically. Or that should give me whatever the thing is, the script is on. I don't get you could chat GPT. Bro, like, I just give it good prompts. With the frickety frick. Hello, Irons and YouTube. I am live. You know, it was on the schedule the whole week. You are on YouTube, yes. Yeah, Xander, literally, I just give it good prompts. I mean, most of the time I have to give it, like, the whole script, but at the same time it gives me things that are right, so I don't really know what you're telling it to do. But it's gotta be what you give it to. Like, I don't know. But it works for me. I mean, as soon as one thing doesn't work, it's not really that, or it's not always great at adjusting things unless you know what's wrong. Like sometimes I know what's wrong and then I'll just be like, hey, this isn't right and I think it's because of this, and they'll be like, oh yeah, no worries, and he'll go and change it for me. But I mean, I haven't really had many issues with ChatGPT. And if I do, I'll just go and search it up. Right, I think now I test this. I should have, wait, oh, I should probably look. Seeds. Yes. Okay, all I need to do is in here, selected image, selected text name and price, and the button. That should be good. Snatterton, Valencia on Snatterton. Right, ready? Watch this, watch this. Bro! Twitch. Oh my god, you're on Twitch now. Why is this not working? Input string was not in the correct format. What do you mean? Oh, I know why. I was gonna put that as like 2 or something. Oh, wait. Wait. But no, that should be right. Oh, no, I know why. Idiot. Was it YouTube chat pop up on the screen? I don't know if there's a way to like get them to coexist is the right word. I don't really know. Why do you not work? God damn it. So stupid. Oh, I know why. This. And then I need to drag the script on, but shop. Wait. Shop button, click select. Boom. Now it'll work. I've seen some other streams do it, might be hard to. I'll have a look into it. See, at the moment I'm using like I think it's Stream Elements, which is like the whole well stream thing, or you know it's like this thing. I'm not sure if it is like the starting soon thing as well. I mean I can keep that anyway, but yeah, like for the chat that is what that is. I mean ideally I'd want some more like customization. So if I can find a way, it works. Holy moly. Right, then what I can do is I can do... Wait, I can do this. price, boom. And that should work as well. Clickety clackety, yes indeed. Yeah, I don't think I can't remember where I got up to last Friday irons, but I'll show you because I've got like the whole plant stand working now as well. Ready, this should work. That actually looks so cool. The fuck? Alright. And then what I can do is I can literally just copy this component, go onto here, and then do paste component as new. And it already has all of those on there. The only thing I then need to do is just add itself button, no, shop button click press. I'm just going to do itself just because it's easier. To be fair, I could probably do it differently. No, I probably won't. That's pretty cool. Upgrades. What? Oh, I haven't got the price in there. Golden can price. And then let's do this like 200 or something. Just something crazy. Crazy? You know what else is crazy? Sorry, Irons. I had to do it. You were rage baiting me yesterday, like. Golden can button. Shop. Button, click, select. It's very normal. Yeah, sure. Alright, ready? You're rage baiting me? What? You literally said it's not the old song when it was. Wah! Nah, that looks kinda cool. Eh? And then you will be able to click the buy button when it works. Whoa. What's the fourth one? I don't have an upgrade yet. Whoa, look at that, bro. But yeah, so Irons. So now this is the game. So I modeled this, by the way. I think this looks sick. Like the computer keys, the mouse, which is why it's so like clicky like that. I think this looks awesome. I know the textures are a bit off, but I just quick textured it. Anyway, the sounds, bro. The sounds. I love this. It's so cool. If I had time, I would do animations like that for literally everything in the game because it is just so nice. But I don't have time. But yeah, so this all works now. You can plant this. I can't remember if I did this. And then over here, when you get plants, of course it will show in the inventory. And then you can click this and you can do that. So I'll do the same what I did earlier. So I can just go into my inventory and then I'll add a Dionavine plant. Boom! Gets planted. This is the one Lucas did, my partner. And then if I do Giza Lotus. So there we go. I now have Giza Lotus in the inventory. So Dynamite don't work, but if I do the Giza Lotus, that one does. Also has the price there. And I think that one looks really, really cool. Obviously, it's the model I did. So, you know. Is that you? What, the character? No. But no, I think these look really, really cool. No. His name's Bob. But yeah. So far, I mean, I know I literally have like a week or so left to do this. But... So, you know, I'm a little bit behind, but it's fine. This is bold under the hat, actually. No, he's got hair at the back. He's got hair at the back. Hold on, I gotta show you this. Look, he's got hair at the back. It's like 3 hair strands. One, hold on. Alright, I'm pretty sure there's more than 3. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7 actually. Had to get right in there to have a look. Grand total of 7. Nice spelling, bro. Alright, so now that'll work. Let me just test it. Yeah, so at the moment you can't click it. I am clicking it. I know you can't hear, but let's go there. Now that actually looks awesome. I'm really happy with that. The only thing is that close button is really glitchy. I don't really know why. But other than that, awesome. Computer. Yeah, this close button is really weird. Yeah, well. Have you done the upgrades thing? What do you mean? What? This? What am I doing now? Yeah. Yeah, so you got the seeds over here that you can buy in the upgrades. I thought it was a button. Well, yeah, it is a button. You click that and then you can select it to buy it. I actually really like the shop design as well. And what I was thinking, if ever, you know, I did continue or something, I could add like a scroll bar here, and then you can like scroll down the list to see more. Right, so this close button. So obviously it does that, but what it should do first. I'll add a fourth one in there as well, just for good measure. So to do this. Selected image. I've already done that. So this. How do I change it? Game object image. Sprite. Ooh, is this how I do it? Images. UI computer. Do you watch Eurovision? I do not watch Eurovision. Apparently it's ass. I don't really know if it is terrible. I don't know why anyone would want to watch it. That should work. Hopefully. Name. Text. String text. Set to nothing. Price. Price. Oop. And then the button. Set this to Boolean interactable false. Brilliant. Now it should work. Sweden has a banger song this year. Oh, really? Better not be lying to me. Wow! Yes, it sets it all back. Alright, I like that. Then I think... Oh, do I have to do it again? Because basically what you can do, you could do... So, I'll just do that. I can then do that. Yeah. So now I need to do... Power. Is that? Yeah. So the power button, I also need to do... I feel like I recognize the sound when you close the computer. Yeah, probably. I think it's just... I found it on a free sound website, but I bet you... I recognized it as well. But I thought it also suited the computer and game the best compared to all the other sounds I found. Close button. Can I play this? Button... I don't think so. Aye, aye, aye. Can you make another button click in button separate buttons on oh. Literally, bro, I've been using this for literally most of the project, and it is so useful. So I keep looking at chat. I should probably look up there. Hello. Oh wait, you can. Oh. What? I don't want to make a script for this. Man, I'm not doing that. Screw that. You just tell me no. That's the only bad thing about that, is that it goes through so many things which just get really annoying. Can I copy this and bring it over? No. Okay, that's fine. 3, 4. I don't even know how many I'm gonna need. Alright, so selected image. Set this to... Oh shoot, what was it? Sprite set to this. Name. If I do TMP text, nothing. Price. Again, TMP string text. Price. And buy a button, I gotta set that to interactable false. Add one more. Which then just closes the shop. That should work. So this, it looks like this. Let's say I click that. Whenever I turn the computer off, oh, it does it all then. That's pretty cool. You literally see it all happen. Ah, it's because of the animation. Alright, that works. See, ideally I know I'd want to like make it so it's almost like a thing that you can move around. Like a proper thing. But I don't really know how to do that, so I'm just going to keep it like this. Because it's the best thing I can think of. Yeah, so I know it wasn't the best example. So like yeah, I have this. You can move it around like that instead of just having it something that's just on the screen. You know, you can move it around. I don't know how to do that. Yeah, a window. Yeah, yeah, not just a static image just on the screen. However, I do really like the look of it personally. I mean, I know I'm a bit biased, but I think it looks like a nice shop. That sounds pretty difficult. Oh yeah, probably. Oh, then again, I don't know. Because I think all you need to do, you just need to add something. So like, how can I? So yeah, let's just do it in the shop. This toggles like, wait, what's a toggle? Oh, wait, no. Hmm. Alright. I don't know what you'd use, but you could use something, I suppose maybe a button, which is just up at the top. So let's say I did do button, button. I think, mate, I actually can't. I think what you'd have to do is put like the shop all in it. But let's say I did it up here. Whoa, how would that work? I haven't got a clue, and I'm not gonna look into it. But you need something, and then I assume you know like, whenever it's like held down or whatever, it then moves like everything else because like if I move the shop right now, it moves everything inside of it. So you'd literally just need to do one thing up at the top. I just don't know how you do it in game. It'll probably be a bit of code. I'm sure it won't be that difficult if I really wanted to. But I don't have the time. I just need to get everything working properly. So, on that note, bye. So, do you have a deadline? Basically, yeah. Next week is pretty much the last week we have. Well, at least we've been told it's the last week of production. Because we then... So let me bring up this. So this is this week. Next week here is, I believe, the production deadline. So what we're doing now, like the actual work like this. And then we're going up to uni as well. So we only have like, we're not even half a day. No, I suppose it is actually. So we have about half a day next Friday, going up to uni. Then this week off, so 26th, this week is all off. And then, yeah, so this week off, then we come back for this week, and this week, work experience, maybe 1 or 2 more weeks, and then I think we go. I still don't really know. But I know this week I have work experience. What did I say? Yeah, week off is this week. So I know we have like a few other weeks, which I feel like I should be allowed to do production. Why do I have that week off? I think it's just a regular half-term week off. I don't really know. It's just how it goes. I mean, I'm not complaining really. I mean, I was gonna at least see if in the half term I can do work, because if I can do work in the half term, I'll be able to get so much more done. Not only because I won't be at college doing it on their crappy computers and stuff. I won't have the people around me talking. I won't have to keep driving from place to place. It's just gonna be so much easier at home. So hopefully, if I can, I might try and do more in the half term. And of course, I'll be streaming it probably. But that's if I can. I don't really know what else I'm meant to do. If literally for those other 2 weeks we're just going to be doing blog work, because that's going to be boring as hell. Like I'm not going to be spending lesson upon lesson just writing, because I write so quick anyway. I'll be able to get everything done within like a day or so, if that. So Anyway, mini rant over. Mini rant over. Let's actually do this. Selected item is basically all of that. Well, that can't even be pressed anyway because it's being interactable as changing. So, whenever the purchase button is pressed, now I need the money script. Bigger monitor. I think it's 27 inch. There's an alien one. Code is microspot. Oh, really? Can you not see it? It does look kind of small on stream, but I don't know. What am I naming this? Money. I don't know. Currency. Screw it. I'll just call this money. Money scripts. Oh. Wait, did it open? Okay. I don't know what I'm doing. How's your cobra? Bro, I do not have a cobra. It's a corn snake. It's not that dangerous. He's not even out right now. I thought he might be out today, but I don't know. I think he's just hiding away. Doesn't want to come out today. I mean, he didn't want to come out last week either, so I don't really know. Not his day. No, it isn't. Maybe on Sunday. Maybe on Sunday, because I'm streaming this Sunday. You better be here. I don't even know what I'm starting with here. Alright, so what do I start with? ChatGPT gave me something and I was asking earlier. Yeah, right here. Start with the code. Whoa, really? Well, great idea. I'm just gonna start doing this. So basically, every time I start scripts, I'm now putting these up, just because in the Unity editor it makes it all look nice. Oh, screw it. So I have script references, private variables, and public. It just makes it look nice. So here though, I am going to have to do this. So I'm assuming it's public. Inventory manager, public static. Just going to copy this. Money manager or currency manager. So I have to name it. Okay. Let me rename it in here. Start with the code. I like code. Ah, it's a good thing you do. Correct. Yep, okay, that's cool. Right, what am I doing for currency then? Then I'm gonna... Thank you. Alright, so you have the instance here, which I can use anywhere. So like in here... I don't know. Let's look at ChatGPT and see what it told me to do. So this is player money. Oh yeah, I should probably do that actually, shouldn't I? Do bitcoins for currency. I mean, I could, but the thing is, I'm using the dollar sign. Because I don't really know what else I'd use. And I don't really have time to go and design like a whole thing, and I'm just gonna have to do that. It's just gonna have to do dollars. Nah. See, although I use pounds, I don't know. I don't like pounds. I prefer dollars. Like it sounds like a better word to say. I mean, I feel like I prefer drawing it, but of course I'm not drawing. But I I don't know. I just prefer saying dollars more. And I think in games it makes more sense. I think it's more widely spoken throughout the world. In my opinion, at least. I don't know. Player money. Oh, wait. What am I holding this as? Float. Can I do it like a float as to... How would I do that? F2? No? Alright. Oh, no, I have to declare it, don't I? That's true. Dollar, 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 euro, euro, euro. I don't really like euro, and I don't have euro on my keyboard. This is really weird. I'm surprised they have, like, on an English keyboard, we have dollar, but not euro. I don't really understand that. Brexit, Brexit, right. Oh, that's true. Float player money equals yeah, screw it, we'll just start at 0. Well, do I want this as public? Yes, because it needs to be found if something references the script, that's it. Okay, so got player money, that's cool. I should probably do some kind of UI for that as well. Init. Alright, I think I can close the shop for now. Right. What are we saying for UI then? Game UI. So we got the inventory up there. I have the interaction thing down the bottom. Maybe I do it over here. That bottom right. Copy the inventory. Money. And then I will do bottom right. I just realised I swear this was wrong. I swear down that looked wrong. Something did. Oh my god, I'm going crazy. I don't know anymore. Money. Let's go 0, 0 for now. Okay, that's not really what I want. Minus 650, 450. Okay, I think I got the wrong values there, but that works. Alright, we'll do it from the right. Don't really know why I did that. Money. Shall I just do that? £0. How's that looking, game? I don't like it. To be fair though, it doesn't need to kind of be seen all the time, so it makes sense to at least be down there. Where is it? There it is. I don't know. Oh, screw it, I'll just do it like that. Alright, and then I need public TMP text. Money display. Oh, that's good. At the start, I need to do money display equals player money dot toString. Joking. Where? I'm trying to float, but alright. Oh, dot text. Oh, my goodness. Actually, a rookie mistake. This is crazy. I don't even have it anywhere. Where should I put the money? Should I put it on the player? No, I'll put it on game manager. Currency, game manager, game manager, TP text, boom. Then this should work. That should just go to 0, yeah. Oh boy, it works. Money. What was I doing? That. Boom. I should probably just make that like a whole method, because if I keep doing that in one line of code, that's gonna get boring quick. Oh yeah, I put a pound sign there. That's how used I am to putting pound sign instead of a dollar sign. Alright, but then now it will stay the same. Boom! Right, and then what I'm gonna do, I'm just gonna make it its own method. Oh. So otherwise, I'm gonna continuously have to put that bit of text, and it's just gonna make it so much easier if I just make it a method that I can call to. So I don't think I need to make it anything. So public or just void update text display money text. Update money text. That's good. Why is it like that? Update. To be fair, I might have to call to this, so I'm gonna. Oh. I'm gonna keep it public, so I think I might have to call to it. Yeah, I definitely will. So like in the shop when I buy something, I'm gonna have to call to this to update it. Use Git, or GitHub, or am I missing something? I'm lost. The green eyes to the left. These? Yeah, those. I don't even know. That's just whenever I make a change. So let's say I make a change here. So let's say I add a G there. it goes yellow because there's been a change made. And then whenever I save it, oh, that was not the save button. Whenever I save it, and then goes green to tell me that everything's good. To be fair, I don't even really need it. It's kind of useless, but it's there. So use Git. I've no idea what Git is, bro. I just open Visual Studio and use it. So if Git is something that is automatically installed or whatever, then yes, I use Git. Otherwise, I have no idea what Git is. Let me have a look. Git. Visual Studio. It's version control. Yeah, I'm gonna assume that is it. Not just for Visual Studio. Oh, okay. Instance equals this. Oh, do I have to do that? Update money text. We don't have to worry about that right now. Oh no. Right now? What do you mean by right now? Ah. Right, that's all good then. Right. Well, oh no. Very well. You telling me there's more things I need to learn? Is this not Git then? I swear I'm using Git right now. What is Git programming? Distributed version control system used by it. Oh, what? What is that word? Oh, allows. uh, uh. Use Git to save it. Oh. Yeah, I do not use Git, and I'm not going to look into that too much because I still have no idea what a Git is. What is this? If money display is null, I'm sure it comes later. I'm sure, yeah. But do you really need to know that? Like, if I'm just going to be making games in Unity? Yes, definitely. Oh, okay. Right, I'm going to need that. So add money and boo. Ah, right. Yoink. Thank you very much, ChatGPT. I appreciate it. Let's use GitHub. You need to use Git. I need to code in GitHub to do all sorts of things. Oh. I haven't even really looked into GitHub much. I just know sometimes you can, you know, do things on it. Like, you know, people post their games and stuff on it, and, well, I guess. I don't really know. Remove monies. Right, so making it bool because we need return true or false. Money spent. Allow. Yes. Update money text. Awesome. Alright, I might have to cut the stream short today, I'm not gonna lie. Because I just remembered I need to go do something. I know it's kind of annoying. But I'm sure you understand. I mean, we've got the basic thing done. Optimal method. This is optional, actually. I don't really know why that's there. I'm just gonna get rid of that for now. Yeah, I don't do that. The text is so small. Bro, how can you not see that? I said optimal, I swear. Right, so this all works anyway. I'm happy about that. And that will be really easy then to implement. Okay. Right. I am gonna have to end the stream here. I'm sorry it's quite a short one. I'm gonna spend more time on it, but of course I don't want to just keep stream on for no reason, because I don't know how long I'll be gone. But thank you, Irons, for joining and popping in. I don't wait. Did you actually see the new things I just bought for my car? Because I can't remember if you joined before I started showing them. Because there's some really. Oh, you didn't? Oh, brilliant! This is awesome. So, all Temu buys again, by the way, which is why they just kind of randomly showed up. I thought they were meant to be like another few weeks. But yeah, so you got these things. Basically, they go in between the seats. So that's what like the big hole is for the seat belt. They go in between your seats, and then basically, if ever you drop things down between the seats, it doesn't go between the seats. I've also just somehow torn the plastic for just putting my finger in it. So, Temu stuff. Whoa, look at that. Awesome. The black hole. Yes. Yeah, so these are actually like I got all these things because I knew I was gonna need them for my car. These things I don't even really know how I'm gonna put them on. I think these things are like sticky, but this looks like it's gonna be the top bit, so I don't really know how to use it. But those like go on your wing mirrors, and then it's meant to stop water dripping down. Um, yeah, I don't know. They don't seem great. And then you have these things. So I got two of them. Boom. They're little mirrors. They go on the wing mirrors, and then look, you can move it around. Oh my God, they're amazing. Mini mirror. Yes, literally. You put these on your wing mirrors, and then you like angle it down, and then you can properly see where your wheels are going when you're reversing. Super useful. My instructor actually had them on his car when I was learning, and I was like, whoa, I need to get a pair of these. And I got these for like less than £1 on Temu. So I was like, yeah, what a steal. Right, anyway, thank you for watching the stream, Irons. Thank you for tuning in. Probably see you Sunday, I'm assuming, if you're going to be there. But yeah, thank you very much. Have a good day. Goodbye. Third item. What?